Hi, this is AK and welcome to Mr. Being Smart. In this fast moving world, you, me, everybody needs to be up to date with the technology. Nowadays, everyone has got a smartphone. Why not a smart bulb or a smart plug? Have you ever heard of them? If yes, that's good. If no, let's check it out in this video. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. I got them from Amazon. This is a Sunpulse brand smart bulb and a smart plug. Let's unbox it. So there's a bill. Here is the smart bulb. The packaging looks cool. And finally we have a smart plug. Yeah, what's making every home smart. Let's open them and see what's inside. Here you go. These are the two products which I got in as a combo. This is the smart bulb. There is Sunpulse logo and branding. Make every home smart. This is a 10-watt LED bulb. The temperature goes from 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, and you've got RGB. And it's a B22 type Wi-Fi enabled. It works only on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Supported by iOS and Android as well. And hardware made in China, software made in India. It's a collaboration of Chinese and Indian. Okay, that's cool about the smart bulb. And let's check out the smart plug. It has got the same thing, make every home smart, and the Sunpulse logo. And you've got a QR code from where you can just scan the QR code and download the Sunpulse app. Input voltage is 250 volts, output is 16 amps maximum load. Works only on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. App supported by iOS and Android. Okay, that's cool. So let's open the bulb. Wow. Oh. This looks cool. Bulb is pretty heavy and also the quality looks good. Let me put it aside and open the plug as well. Okay. You've got a on off power button on the smart plug, and there you go. The smart bulb and smart plug. What else have we got inside the box? Okay, we have got a quick start guide inside the box. It shows how to set up your smart plug with your smartphone. Okay, and also for the LED bulb, we have got a setup guide, LED smart light quick setup guide. So these are the things we got inside the box. Let us see how to set up your smart LED bulb with your smartphone. First of all, you need to download the Sunpulse app. You can get it from Google Play Store or App Store. So let us go into the app. This is how the interface looks. To connect, you need to add device. Under the devices, there is light, plug, remote and security. As we are connecting the light, let's go select light and click on add device. There are three options: smart LED, smart downlight and smart strip light. We are connecting the smart LED. Click on smart LED. It says make sure device is powered on. Switch the smart light on and off 5 times until it starts blinking. Let us switch on the light. The light is in blinking mode, so it is ready to be set up. Click on the check box and click on next. You need to give your Wi-Fi and the password which you are using on your mobile. It has to be same Wi-Fi which you are using on your mobile. It works only on 2.4 GHz band, not on 5 GHz. So I've already given my Wi-Fi name and the password. So I'll just click on next. It may take some time to set up. Once the LED bulb is set up with your smartphone, it stops blinking. Ready. The light is ready. It's really fast and it may take some time to reflect on your app. Let's wait. Your smart light is ready to use. please name the device. You can just rename the device, but I'll leave it as it is and click on done. This is how the interface looks from where you can control your smart LED. You have got different options like B for brightness, T for temperature, and C for color. And also you have got 3 presets: warm, natural, and cool. Right now it is in natural, which is like white light. Let's select cool. That's really good. And let's go to the warm. This is really like a warm light. So let us change the brightness. Cool. Let's go to the temperature. By changing the temperature, you change the color of the light. And you have got like 16 million options of color from this color bar. Let's go to green and play with the colors according to your mood. And also you've got a modes tab right next to the color. There is this modes tab. Click on the modes and you have like 8 different preset modes with the names. This is movie. The next one is music. The third one is party. In this party mode, the light keeps changing its color. This is really cool preset. The next one is reading. This is like a cool white light. The 5th preset is date. This is like a candle, dim candle light. The other one is plant. It's written 1 is happiest when 1 is closest to the nature. You have got quotations for each mode as well. Let's go to the baby preset. Shh, baby is sleeping. That's really cool. And the last one is meditation. These are the presets. You have got like 8 different presets along with 3 warm, natural, cool presets, and also you can control the brightness, temperature, and color as you wish. There is this toggle button where you can switch on or off your LED light. For the smart light, please comments below what your thoughts, and let's see how to set up the smart plug. As you have selected add device for the light, similarly you need to select the option for the plug as well. But under the devices you need to select the plug first and then click on add device. There is only one option, smart plug. Click on it and it says make sure device is powered on. Press the smart plug button for a few seconds until it starts blinking. Let me switch on the plug. This is the power button of the smart plug. Right now it's not blinking. Let me hold it. So now it started blinking. The plug is ready to get set up with your phone. Now click on the checkbox and click on next. Here also you need to give your Wi-Fi details. Even the plug works only on 2.4 GHz band, not on 5 GHz. I've already given the Wi-Fi details. I'll click on next. It may take some time to set up with your phone. Once the plug is set up, it stops blinking. The power button on the plug stops blinking. Okay, it stopped blinking on the plug. It may take some time to reflect on your phone. Okay, the plug is ready to be used. So click on done. Let us see what options you have got to control your plug from the phone. You have schedule, you have a timer, you have share. Let's click on schedule. Set up your first schedule. You can smartly schedule your plug to turn it on before you reach your home from office. You can use this plug for your geysers and ACs, where before you reach your home you can switch them on and your ACs and geysers are ready. So let's click on the add schedule now. You have hours, minutes, AM and PM, and in advanced options you have got keep it on repeat. So as per your requirement you can schedule the plug's timings. And let's go back. You have the timer. Click on the timer. Right now the plug is on, so you can turn off the device now. You can select the hours and minutes. So let's see, putting hours as 0 and minutes as 1 and save. So the plug right now needs to be off in 1 minute. You have got a circle timer. The timer is running out. Let's see. We are almost there. The plug needs to be off in 5 seconds. Okay, your plug is off, but the plug is not off right now. It took like 2 to 3 seconds to turn off. So that's not a problem. Let's tap to turn on. It's on. Let's off and let's schedule a timer to turn it on. Similarly, 0 hours and 1 minute and save. Right now the plug needs to be on in 1 minute. Let's see. We are almost there. It needs to be on in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. It says hi, your plug is switched on. Okay, 2 to 3 seconds to turn on. So 2 to 3 seconds doesn't matter. The app is working really cool. And also we got the third option called share. You can click on the share and there is a plus symbol. You can add your friends and family who wants to connect and control the device. You have got the numbers. You can just select the number and send the sharing details. So that's how you control your plug, and these are the options for this plug. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe Mr. Being Smart. And that's a bingo for today guys. See you in the next video.